Now, how exactly do you open Dropbox files on your iPhone? Well, it depends on what you exactly mean by opening them, because in case you want to just access your, let's say, a PDF file or anything else, opening it is pretty simple. All you need to do is just get access to your Dropbox. So that can be achieved by logging in through the Safari as a website, but obviously a better choice would be to get the app. So I would highly recommend you to get that. Once you do, just open it up and then make sure you sign in with your account, the one that you use to access the Dropbox. Obviously, let's get the basics out of the way. But once you are in here, just go to the Files section and then locate the file that you want to open. Let's say it's going to be a photo or this PDF document. So just tap on it and it's going to load up and you can really just look at it and browse it. You can do whatever you want with it. It's like this is the file. So if that is enough for you to open the file, if that's what you wanted to achieve, you can just read it in here. However, you might as well just move it over to a different location or do something else with it, right? Because if you click on a share, you can, for example, have it integrated with the Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is like a PDF editor. So that's an option as well. So you have this button for this. You can also just click on a share and export a copy of this file. So you don't create a link or whatever, you just export it. And then you can choose from all of the apps on your phone which support the integration of this specific file. In our case, it's a PDF. So right now I can just move it over to Google Drive. I can share it with a WhatsApp. I can save it in my photos, mail, whatever, right? I can save it directly to my files or documents, or I have this zipping file. So it really depends on where exactly you want to open it. But once you click on share and export, you're going to be notified about all of the apps which can open this specific file. So once you do this, you can open it in any of the possibilities that you have. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hope you liked it. Hit the thumbs up if you do. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one.